Good morning vlog. This is a travel home with me. Wow, I look crazy. I just woke up. I'm gonna pack my suitcase. My flight just got delayed another hour and 15 minutes, so I don't even know why. So we're gonna pack. Whee! Hey vlog. Did you start it?
Yeah.
Oh, hey vlog. This looks really deceiving, right? It's not, I promise. It just takes a little bit of belief, strength. Just give me a second.
You got it. You got it. There you go. You're so talented.
Oh, you just wait till the finale. I think I need a new suitcase. Right?
Yeah?
Okay.
God.
Leg power! Oh god, hold on. Oh, it's because I had the fabric stuck in the zipper.
Oh. That's impressive.
Well, I like to keep this one done.
Yeah?
It's already breaking down there. Ta-da! All packed. So I just got back to my apartment and my fridge was off. And so I don't know if that happened today, but I cracked an egg. I didn't want to throw up. I'm so frustrated because I don't know if my food's spoiled and I can't check, I don't have the effort to check it tonight. I went in and I smelt it, nothing smelt spoiled. Again, cracked an egg, didn't want to throw up, so that's not spoiled, but lordy, it's time for bed. Thank you for traveling home with me and all that jazz. I'll see you in the next video. Psych, I forgot I had a package, and if I didn't pick it up by tonight, I was gonna get charged for it, so rock on. It is now good night.